Students, today we are going to start polynomial. We will see what is polynomial, what are the parts of the polynomial, what is coefficient of polynomial, and what is index or exponent of the variable involved in polynomial. So we are going to discuss these are the things about polynomial. So here it is polynomial. Topic is polynomial. Polynomial. So you know there are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions means expressions in which algebraic variables are involved. That is called algebraic expressions. In that algebraic expression, we will try to find out what are the algebraic expressions or polynomial, because there is a specific definition for these polynomials. So here I am going to write some algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions like this: x square plus 2x plus 5, x power 1 by 3 plus 2x plus 3, x plus x power 1 by 4 plus root x plus 2, x plus 2, x square plus 9, root x plus 7x plus 2, x power 3 x square plus x, root x plus 1 by x plus 3x, or x square plus root 2x plus 3, x plus 1 by x plus 2. These are the algebraic expressions. Here you see these are algebraic expressions because algebraic variable is involved. Here I have written only variable x. There can be more than one variable, but this is algebraic expression in one variable. If there are other variable like x plus 2y plus z, this is also a algebraic expression which is involving three variables. So here we are going to study polynomials are algebraic expression involving one variable, and in this we are going to see what are the algebraic expressions which are polynomial. Here one thing you should know that the number which is in front of the variable, here, these numbers are known as coefficient of the variable. Here coefficient of that term, particular term. These are the terms: first term, second term, third term. So numbers in front of the variable is known as coefficient. One more thing you should know, here it is written 5. 5 can be written like this: 5x power 0, because x power 0 is equal to 1. Any number power 0 is equal to 1. If exponent is 0, then that will be equal to 1. So x power 0 is equal to 1, so it is 5. This is 5. Or like this: 3, 2. Whatever constant numbers are there, that can be written like this. So coefficient of x power 0 is 5. See this, x power 0, coefficient of x power 0 here, and the numbers in front of the variable is the coefficient. Second thing, the number which is on the top of the variable, that is exponent or index. This is exponent. If only x is written means there is 1 here as coefficient and there is 1 here as exponent, if only x is written. So now you understood what is coefficient and what is index, or what is exponent of the variable involving in the algebraic expression for each term. So here you can see here coefficient is 1 and exponent is 1 by 3. Here coefficient is 2 and exponent is 1. Here coefficient is 3 and exponent of the x is 0. Now you could know what is coefficient and what is the exponent of the variable involving in individual terms of the algebraic expression. Now I am going to give definition of polynomial. All the algebraic expressions, these all are algebraic expressions. Out of these algebraic expressions, there is a specific algebraic expressions. These all algebraic expressions are not of same type. So polynomial is that algebraic expression in which every term, variable of every term has its exponent as whole number. Only whole number. Whole number you know. What are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are whole numbers. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. These are the whole numbers. So exponent of the variable involving in the algebraic expression should be whole number for every term. Then that type of algebraic expressions are polynomial. Now you can take out polynomial out of these algebraic expressions, and out of these algebraic expressions now you can take out polynomials. What are the polynomials here? Polynomials. Here you see exponent is 2, here exponent is 1 and here exponent is 0. So for every term exponent is whole number, so this is polynomial, or we can tick here, this is polynomial. Here we find that 1 by 3 is not whole number for this first term, so this is not polynomial. Here one again we find here that x power 1 by 4, here x power 1 by 2, under root x means x power 1 by 2. So these are the fractions, so these are not whole numbers, as exponent of x is not whole number, so this is not polynomial. Here x power 1 and x power 0, this is polynomial. Here also x square plus 9 is a polynomial because x power 2 and here x power 0. Here again you see that under root x means x power 1 by 2, that is in fraction, so this is not whole number. Exponent of the x is not whole number in first term, so this is not a polynomial. Here again we find that 3, 2 and 1, so this is polynomial. X power under root x and 1 by x, these two terms we find that here x power minus 1 and here x power 1 by 2, so this is not a polynomial. Again here we find that x power 2, x power 1 and x power 0, so this is polynomial. You need not to see this under root 2. Under root 2 is not a variable, under root 2 is a number, so this is not going to affect exponent of x. Exponent of x is 1, so this is polynomial. Here again we find x by 1 by x means x power minus 1, so exponent is minus 1, this is not polynomial. This is polynomial in 3 variable. This is polynomial. Everywhere exponent is 1, 1, 1. So exponent is 1, 1, 1. So this is polynomial in 3 variable. Here exponent is 0. So this is polynomial. Here exponent is 1. This is polynomial. These all are polynomials. These polynomials. And these are not polynomials. These not polynomials. This and now you can see difference between polynomial and non-polynomial in algebraic expression. And second thing, you could come to know what is exponent and what is coefficient of the variable involving in the algebraic expression and polynomial. Now it is described. Now next topic we are going to discuss in the polynomial. Now we are in polynomial, and in the polynomial what are the things we are going to discuss is zero of polynomial, degree of polynomial, and zero of polynomial. First है degree of polynomial. Second, zero of polynomial. Degree of polynomial and zero of polynomial. Now what is degree of polynomial? So definition is, in the polynomial, highest exponent of the variable involving in the polynomial. Here again I am going to discuss for one variable polynomial. So highest exponent involving in that polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. So now you can decide degree of the polynomial, which are here polynomial. Here it is polynomial, highest exponent is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. Here highest exponent of this variable is 1. So here degree is 1. Again here exponent is 2, highest. So degree is 2. This polynomial highest exponent is 3. So degree of this is 3. Here we find highest exponent is 2. So degree is 2. Here this is 3 variables. So we are not going to decide for this one. Here we find that highest exponent is 0. So here is the degree is 0. And here highest exponent is 1. So degree is 1. This way we are deciding degree. Now here I am going to write again some polynomial, and we will see what is degree. X plus x cube plus 3x plus 5, x square plus 2x plus 3, x plus root 3x square plus 2, x plus x cube plus x square plus 9x plus 9, or x square x 9, this way. These are the polynomials. Here you see exponent of all the variable involving in this one, x square here, is whole number. So this is polynomial. These all are polynomial. Now we are going to write degree of the polynomial here. Degree. What is degree here? Highest exponent is 3. So degree is 3. Here highest exponent is 2. So degree is 2. Here highest exponent is 2. Degree is 2. Here highest exponent is 3. So degree will be 3. Here highest exponent is 2. Only one term is there. So highest exponent is 2. That is degree will be 2. And here highest exponent is 1. So degree is 1. Here I have told that 5 means 5x power 0. Same way 9 means 9x power 0. You can consider in your mind, or you can write also. So here degree will be 0. So this way we have decided degree of these polynomials. Now before going to 0, we are going to discuss classification of the polynomial. How these polynomials are classified, how these categorized. So polynomials are categorized by two methods. First method, according to degree of the polynomial. Polynomials are categorized or classified according to degree. Second is according to number of terms involving in the polynomial. Number of terms involving in the polynomial. So according to degree, we are going to write name of the polynomial. What is the name? So first we will start one more thing. If there is only 0, then what is this polynomial? This is separate, not this 9 or 5 or 3. This 0 is taken as 0 polynomial separately, 0 polynomial. And these numbers are taken as constant polynomial, 0 polynomial is separate and degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. So now I am going to write name of the polynomial, classification, polynomial, type of polynomials. Polynomials. First, if degree is not defined means 0, so first is 0 polynomial. Second, if degree is 0, then constant polynomial. Here degree is not defined. Here degree is 0. Here degree is not defined. Here degree is 0. Degree and name. Third, linear polynomial. If degree is 1, linear polynomial. Degree is 1. Fourth, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Degree is 2. Next, cubic polynomial. Degree is 3. This way, according to degree, name are given to the polynomial. And further, we are saying by quadratic polynomial, or if further we have to name, then we will say polynomial with degree 5, polynomial with degree 6, polynomial with degree 7. So this way, up to here cubic polynomial will be involving more in your course. So you must remember these names, because somewhere it will be written cubic polynomial. You should know that cubic polynomial means highest exponent of the variable involving in the polynomial is 3. So this way we are classifying the polynomials. Another way to classifying the polynomials is number of terms, according to number of terms. Other way, according to number of terms. So note down this, then we will discuss about